Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In today's video, let's talk about how to bet on Power Slap. Let's start with a brief history on Power Slap. Power Slap is a unique combat sport that gained significant attention after its debut in 2023. To get started, you'll need to choose a sportsbook that offers betting on Power Slap events such as Bovada, BetUS, and MyBookie. You can place several types of bets, including overall winner bets, predict the winner of each match and the event, matchup bets, choose which fighter will perform better in a specific match, prop bets, wager on various outcomes unrelated to the final match result, such as which fighter will deliver the most powerful slap. Make sure to compare odds and bonuses across different platforms to maximize your betting opportunities. Also, familiarize yourself with the fighter's skills, history, and styles to make informed decisions. For more details on how to bet and find the best sportsbook, check out resources specifically tailored for Power Slap betting. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.